Hello friends and welcome to our review of the Glen 4045 BG Mini Blender Grinder. This product is designed to be small and silent and yet delivers a wonderful performance. The 350 watts super fast motor blends, mashes and purees in a jiffy. It comes with a transparent, unbreakable food grade blender jar for convenient blending operations. With a 500 ml blender jar, you can make breakfast juice, protein shake, smoothies and much more. 30-gram grinder jar for dry grinding of coriander, black pepper, etc. The blender comes with stainless steel blades. The blades can be cleaned easily and are rust resistant, so they can keep running for years together. One of the amazing features of this mini blender is that it comes with fruit filter for instant juices. Now enjoy fruit juices without much of a hassle. It comes with an easy-to-use one-touch push button that makes it very convenient to operate the blender. This product is ISI marked. To sum up, this is a great companion for your kitchen. It is compact, handy and a powerful tool, and yet it works silently. For further details, please refer to the product page.